Welcome to an ACCUPLACER video feature demonstration. Today we will look at role management and site switching, creating a new single user account for multiple functions in ACCUPLACER. ACCUPLACER is excited to introduce role management and site switching. Starting with the Phase 20 release in December of 2020, users can now use a single account to perform multiple role functions or the same function across more than one site. That means institution administrators can use their single IA account for IA-level functions and for site manager functions across the various sites within their institution. In addition, proctors and proctor reporters can use one ACCUPLACER account to perform their responsibilities across multiple sites within the institution. With role management and site switching, there's no more logging in and out multiple times per day to complete your work. Your account, password, and active certification expirations are all maintained on a single account, so there's no need to certify multiple times. And this new single sign-on capability can be applied to your existing user accounts, so there's no need to create new ones. With role management, institution administrators can add site manager, site reporter, or site score reporter roles to their own account. They can add the institution administrator role, or add, delete, or change site manager, site reporter, or site score reporter roles to the SM user accounts for any combination of sites within their institution. They can also assign single proctor or proctor reporter user accounts to any combination of sites within their institution. In order to maintain proper score file downloads, IAs or SMs currently using their accounts for Score Web Service will not have role management and site switching available to them. Create a new account to take advantage of role management and site switching, or create a web service only user for use with the Score Web Service downloads. Let's create a new institution administrator account with site manager responsibilities for site switching. Log into ACCUPLACER as an institution administrator. Under the Users menu, click Manage Profiles. Then, click User Profiles. In the User Profiles screen, click Add to create a new user. Select the user type from the drop-down. Here, we will select Institution Administrator. Enter the identifying information, including first name, last name, and username. Click the demographic information accordion to expand it. Enter the required demographic information in the fields provided. Now, click the Role Site Management accordion to expand it. A drop-down shows there is one current assigned role, the Institution Administrator role, for the Institution Administrator account we initially created. Click the Choose Roles drop-down to select another role. Here we will select Site Manager. A new entry appears for the Site Manager role in the Assigned Roles section. Click the Select Sites drop-down. A list will appear of all sites under the institution. Click the site or sites for which you would like to add Site Manager responsibilities for your Institution Administrator account. The Site Manager drop-down now shows 3 assigned sites. Click the radio button for the role to which you would like to automatically log in by default. Click Save at the top of the screen to save the new user. You will receive confirmation that the user has been created successfully and an email has been sent with instructions on completing the account. Once the new user has followed the instructions in the email and set up their password, they can use their ACCUPLACER username and password to log into the platform. In the User Information area in the upper right corner of the screen, you will see that the new user has logged in as an institution administrator, which was the default role set up during account creation. In the left navigation menu, you will see that the new user has access to institution administrator level functions, including such functions as transfer test units. The user does not have access to site manager level functions such as voucher management. To switch roles to the site manager role, click the down arrow in the user information area, then click Switch Role/Site. A pop-up menu will appear listing the role name, site ID, and site name for all available roles. Click the icon in the Action column to switch roles. You will be asked to confirm. Click Yes to switch the role or No to cancel. The user information area of the screen now shows the user is in the Site Manager role. And in the left navigation menu, we now see Site Manager level functions such as voucher management, as well as site level custom messages. And we no longer see the institution administrator level functions such as transfer test units. Repeat the process to change back to the institution administrator role.